How's it going, guys, and welcome back to Big Taze, where today we're going to be doing more Pokemon stuff. In fact, we've actually got a Shrouded Fable booster box that we're going to be opening as well. I have actually had a few ETBs or Elite Trainer boxes because it's my birthday currently, but I didn't wait to film them, I'm afraid. I was like, shall I wait and film them? Maybe. No. So I thought I'd show you what I pulled from those, and then we're going to get on and we're going to open some packs. There's only 6 packs in there, and if we get time at the end, I want to do a little bit on fake cards, and I've got a whole lot of fake cards in that box right there that I was going to show you. Maybe show you a few things about how to actually check fake cards and stuff, but we'll see how we go on, see how much time this takes up. So let's not waste any more time. Let's turn over to this camera straight away and let's show you what I got. So I had an ETB box for Shrouded Fable, which is over behind me, and I also got a Paladin Fates as well for my birthday. So that one's just there. That's still the cards I've just literally pulled this morning in it. But this is the best one I got from the Shrouded Fable, and it is a Okidoji EX. This is actually a double. I actually had this already because I bought it at Car Boot Sale from a seller that was selling those. Look at that lovely artwork. That is gorgeous. So this one I'm probably going to be sending off to PSA to get checked, because the print line on that is actually amazing. Like, it's like really nicely centered, and obviously it's pack fresh because I pulled it. And look at that artwork. That is so nice. Right, so that's the best pull. I will say the Elite Trainer box I got, the Shrouded Fable one, was a bit of a dud. So I ended up buying a lot of the EX ones on eBay. And then I got that for my birthday, and I was like, oh, I should have waited. But never mind. On the front of this, actually, which we'll be opening, obviously, today, live, these are the main sort of pulls, the main Pokemon in it. Okidoji I've got twice. I can't remember this one's name, the Monkey Dory, I think it's called. That one is on the way, and Panchant, I think it's called. I'm probably butchering these names. That is on the way as well. This one I do not have, so that's what we're hoping to get today. Either that or some of those really cool full art cards. That'd be amazing. So we'll wait to the end. We'll do that one at the end. I'm going to show you all these pulls first of all. So, in the Paladin Fates, I have to sort of search through this because, like I said, this has literally just been pulled this morning. And I do have some code cards for you guys before you see that and go, oh, cool. Oh, there you are. Well, there's a code card for you straight off. I can't hide that one now, can I? So you guys can have that one. And I've got some more code cards. Because it's my birthday, I've got like 4 over there I'm going to give you guys. So let me just sort this box out first, and I will show you the code cards as well. But every video, we're going to try and do some of these in the video so you guys can get some free stuff. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. And the last one. And of course, obviously the one I showed already. There's the 5. So first come, first served. Hopefully, you know, one of you guys will get something good. Always let me know in the comments if you do get something good. That'd be really cool. So this one again is another double. I actually have this one already. So again, I might PSA this one. We'll see. I haven't decided yet. But it's Paladin Clodsire EX. Very cool card. Again, got some really nice sort of star artwork on that. I love that. It's really nice. Not a scratch on like things like Unseen Forces and that. Really cool pack that. So I saw someone unboxing that yesterday. I think it was PokeRev. And the artwork on that is incredible. But this is still really nice. And the next one we got was a Squawkabilly EX full art. So I think this is like, because you get the baby shinies, which there are some baby shinies in this because we got some today. But this is like the full art shiny, I'm guessing, not baby shiny, because this baby shiny is the ones that are in the little box. But Squawkabilly EX, very cool card. And then the last one, which I think might be worth the most, is Mona. I have no idea how much it's worth, but I think it might be worth a fair bit. I'll put it on screen so you guys can see, but I haven't actually had a chance to look this up yet. But yeah, really nice pull, really happy with that. And there's a few others in here as well. I will skip through most of this. I mean, most of this is bulk anyway, so let's go through. But there are some baby shinies in here. There we go. First one, Wigglytuff. Really nice one. Again, love the artwork on these. I've got a few baby shinies, including a Fido on the way. I've actually got another eBay haul coming, so I might do another video of eBay haul stuff. Look at that. Look at the artwork there. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. There we go. Skiploom. There's the other one. Again, lovely baby shiny. Gorgeous little card. So we've got the Shrouded Fable, which I think we'll leave that to the very last. But I wanted to show you these first of all, because I don't have many fake cards, but most people will get rid of them, chuck them away. I actually thought the idea would be I'd make a deck out of them. Would be quite cool with this lovely XYH and Origins box. That shows you how long I've been collecting for. But I have almost like an entire deck. I could probably add like a few trainers and some energies to this, and I could probably make a working deck out of it. But I wanted to show you some of them because some of them are quite cool, and also show you a few things like how you can actually check. So, as you can see, prints are not bad on the back. They actually look all right. But turn them over, and again, this looks really, really nice. Except for if you look really closely. Don't know if you ever see it on here. The print is not good. It looks like it's come from like an inkjet printer rather than like a proper printer. Some of these you can tell because look at the size of that border. But there is a really easy way of telling these as well, and this is probably the way I use most of all. I mean, you can tell by fonts as well. If you look at fonts, sometimes you can tell the fonts are slightly off. This one's one of my favourite because it's a Golbat. I've had this since I was a kid actually, but you can tell it's too shiny to be a real card anyway. It's also hollow, which this card doesn't come in a hollow. And it is literally just a sticker. If I ripped that in half, which I won't do because I do like these. I think they're quite, especially this. Sometimes you find because it's like a one of a kind, it can end up being worth something because even though it's a knockoff, it's a one of a kind knockoff. But look at the hollow in that, all the stars. It's actually genuinely quite cool. But the best way of testing this is if I show you using, let's see, this one here. So this is a real card. I'm trying to make sure I don't get these mixed up. This is a real card. Now the light test is just getting a torch like this and sticking it through. And you should be able to see, I mean, this can be faked as well, just to point out. You should be able to see about that much. You can see like all these black dots, which is actually the inner layer. So you've got 2 layers of card, and then there's a black layer in between. And that's where you can see. You should be able to see about that much light through it. Let's grab this one, which is pretty good fake. Looks pretty good. But if I put the light through it, ooh, look how much light comes through that. And there's no dots. There's no grainy black there at all. And all of these are like this. So if I even take this one's actually not too bad because of the fact that it's got the hollow on it. But you can still see there's a lot of light coming through that. So the Cacturn, again, same thing. These are really good way of telling without having to rip them in half whether they're fake or not, because I know that you can rip them in half. So again, let's get a real card again. This is a real card. Look, barely any light, all those dots. This is a really good way, but just bear in mind all these things can be faked, but these are very cheap, easy fakes. Yeah, look how much light's coming through that. If you bear with me a second, I'm just going to grab a card that I actually made myself, and it's not for like selling purposes. I made it on purpose because I got an eBay listing of a mystery thing, and I'll show you me opening it actually because I got something really random. So if I show a clip of that now, this is me opening it. Pokemon mystery pack contains 10 cards. It's quite a nice little label on it. That's actually quite cool. Not even in the centre of mine, it just looks really weird. Okay, so let's open this up. I think this is the one that apparently, potentially, has a Charizard. Didn't make me laugh at. Ordinary Rod. And Hyper Potion. Okay, so no Charizard in that. If that was indeed the mystery pack, I'm not 100%. I think it was. I mean, it says mystery pack on the pack, obviously. But yeah, it's kind of, I'm guessing that must be it. I'm not waiting on anything else, which is really weird because I think I've one other card I'm waiting on. So what the hell was this? That's what I want to know. I've no idea what this is. Let me just open this off camera and I'll be back in a second. I didn't order this. And it came with this. Again, I didn't order this. Where does this come from? I mean, cool, but I didn't buy this. I don't know where this came from. And this is that card. As you can tell, mine's a really bad fake. Mine's not very good at all. So I made this myself. As you can see, there's no back, and it's on a very flimsy card. It's not a real card at all. But I just thought it was hilarious. I was like, I really want a Charizard, so I made my own. But anyway, let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight on to Shrouded Fable booster pack. There's 6 booster packs inside here. I don't think there's anything else. I think it's just booster packs. I've never actually opened one of these before. So let me just grab my knife, get that open. So in this, like I said, I got the Okie Doji yesterday, so I'm hoping to get something like this one I haven't got, and also there's lots of really nice full arts in this one, so let's try and do that. Inky reverse, nice, and oh, Kingdra EX, not bad, not bad. I did actually pull this one as well. This is a double too, but I did actually pull this out of the ETB, but that's pretty damn good. Dartrix, Stuffle. Let's say we haven't got Stuffle in this pack. Although I do see, oh no, I see some shiny. Hang on, let's move that back to where it should be. Houndoom. I should do these up, not sideways, but I haven't got enough space, that's the problem. Furfrou, Kyurem, Night Stretcher. I can't pronounce that one. Axu Reverse. Oh, Okidoji Full Art. Well, that's nice, because I actually just ordered this one, but I ordered the Japanese version of it. So I've got the Japanese version and I've got the English version. That's awesome. Look at that. I can see something at the edge there. Let me just double check. Is it? It's not secret rare, so it's a normal holo, I think. Dusk Noir, yeah, but that's really cool. That one's really, really cool. Let's do that. There we go, all sleeved up. All nice, and the appropriate sleeve as well. Perfect. Eevee, Seadra, Yveltal, Night Stretcher, Sylveon, the one I can't pronounce but reverse. the other one I can't pronounce but reverse, and another Haxorus. I might have to give one of these away. I'll tell you what. If you want to win a Haxorus, and I'll stick in, let's say 50 bulk cards with a Haxorus. If you want to win this and 50 bulk cards, whoever can get the closest in Pokédex number to my favourite Pokemon, which I don't think I've mentioned. So this is a completely random thing. Whoever can get closest to my favourite Pokemon in Pokédex number will win those cards. So stick your favourite Pokemon or your Pokemon guess down below. Whatever number that has in the Pokédex, if it's nearest to my favourite Pokemon, you'll be winning. Right, last pack magic. Come on, we're going to keep that box as well. That box is really, really cool. We want something good. We've already had some good pulls. I'm very happy with this. So 6 booster packs in this, so that's pretty good. Shove you over there. Absol, Seadra, Dartrix, Duskull, Malamar, Weevil, the one I can't pronounce, Copperjar, reverse. Oh, it's only full of Copperjar holo. Not bad though, not bad. That is it for this video. Hope you did enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.